In terms of visiting with young people in school visits and doing library visits, et cetera, that is definitely one of my favorite parts of this work because I absolutely love meeting with young people and just getting to hear their stories. Again, we're all made up of stories. That's part of our lives. One of the first exercises I'll do with students in writing workshops is to highlight all the passive verbs: am, are, is, was, were, would, could, should, have, has, had, to be, will be. And they like this light goes off in their head because I said, when you are reading a book, you will find some of those words in the dialogue. But if you look at books for young people, if you want to read them and they're interesting to you, you will find they don't have many of these words in them, because that's one of the things that we look at is how do you keep the story moving? Well, you keep the story moving by using active verbs and rich nouns and adjectives, etc. So we talk about that it's very intentional.